Aloha and welcome to Experience 13, Jamba Juice number 2. We're going to continue exploring Typescript classes by expanding upon our Jamba Juice 1 set of classes. So we want to set our timer, wherever my timer is, clear it, start a new one. And then I want to open my playground in a new tab. And if you did your Jamba Juice 1 recently, then you should have, what's my one error? I'm just curious. Expected a comma. Interesting, but that's beside the point. Ah, you're right. It is a comma. Okay, so what I'm using the old one, so let's continue on. I want to create a drink class which takes a menu item instance as a constructor. So let's say class drink. And we want the class drink to have menu item in a string size, but the drink instance has three properties: the menu item itself, the price, and the calories. So we have a menu item and menu item of type menu item, price, which is a number, calories, which is a number. And now our constructor takes a item, which is a menu item, and a size, menu item in a string size. So we want to say this dot menu item equals item. Now we got to get the price and the calories out of those things. So this dot price is equal to item dot prices size. Well, let's say dot. Okay. Looks like we've got to do an if statement or a switch statement. Switch on size. Case small. And then we say this dot price is equal to item dot prices dot small. This dot calories is equal to item dot price dot calories dot small. There's probably a better way of doing this, but TypeScript doesn't like using break. Case medium. Fee. There's probably an easier way to do this, but this will work. And then I'm just going to say default. We'll make it large. And then says each drink has 3 menu item price and calories for each papaya, blah, blah, blah. Now we need a class order, which is a customer order, 1 or more drinks. It has an order drink method that adds a drink to your order. It also has a method called total cost that returns the sum of the prices of the drink orders. Okay, so class order. It has drinks, which is a drink array. Now the constructor just gives you, we don't need a constructor because this is just going to be empty. We have order drink. Drink of type drink, and it returns void. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't return anything. So we say this dot drinks dot push drink. So we've got that. So now we need our total cost method. Method takes no parameters but returns a number. So let total equals 0. This dot drinks dot for each takes a drink function. Total plus equals drink dot price. It's wrong one. Return total. So we've got our order class, which has an array of drinks. The order drink method takes a drink, pushes that drink onto this list. The total cost returns a number. We're going to loop over, and I'm using the functional one, which we'll talk about next week. So maybe I should change this code. So I'm not going to use functional for let I equals 0, I is less than drinks, this dot drinks, dot length, I plus plus. So I'm not using the functional way because we haven't talked about functional. So total plus equals this dot drinks sub I dot price. Okay, so that's the traditional using a for loop, not using functional programming because we haven't talked about functional programming yet. So now, by making instances at least 2 drinks, seeing if the total cost is correct. So let's make a const order equals new order. Order dot order drink, and we're gonna take a, do I have a drink? Well, let's make some drinks. So let's go up here and say const small whip equals new drink. The drink item is going to be a strawberry whirl, and small. But it's now a whirl, not a whip. And then I want a const medium sunrise. New drink. What's the sunrise? Come on. Pie of sunrise. And it's a medium. So now let's order the drink with the small whirl. Order drink with the medium sunrise. And then we'll console.log. Let's do small whirl.price plus medium sunrise dot price to see what that added up to, and then we also console log order dot total cost. And then no errors. Let's run this and see what we get. So we still have the console log for the two items that have mango. And then I got 10.9 for the adding the price, two prices together, and then I get a 10.9 if I ask the order what the total cost is. So I get the same answer, so therefore my total cost looks like it's working properly. And I can check my time. 11 minutes. Let's see if I have anything else I need to do. So I check, exercise your making an instance, 2 drinks, seeing if the total cost is correct. I did that. Press the share button to create my URL that I will copy into La Lima if I were submitting this. And then remember to remind your time so that you can use it in your technical essay. And that looks like I finished. Let me stop my timer. So 12 minutes, I'm in the average. I'm okay. Might want to practice that a few more times to get it to be a little bit quicker. But since I'm well within the average time, I'm happy and I can move on to the next exercise, Jamba Juice 3. Thank you very much.